Roxy, and I was nervous, but I survived Christmas! I was nervous because this was the first Christmas I had to spend far from my family and friends also, and so I was anxious. But then I started thinking of an activity that I could do to stay in the Christmas spirit and have fun even though I was far from my friends and family. And I remember the followers control my life. I had so much fun filming that one the other time. So I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to keep me company and tell me what to do the 25th. And this is what happened. Good morning everybody, Merry Christmas. Here is like 7 AM, I just woke up, and since I'm at home today with Foggy and my family is in Italy, so it's very far away, I wanted to ask you guys if you want to control my life so we can have fun together. So we started with breakfast. I asked you guys if you wanted me to have breakfast with arepas, which is something typical of Venezuela. My best friend is from Venezuela and she taught me how to do the arepas. I had everything ready, the cream, cheese, 2 different kinds, avocado, everything. But you guys voted for the other option, which was waffles. So I put all the ingredients together, I mixed it, I put it in my waffle maker, and I had a nice waffle. After that was the time to open the gifts, and I had a couple of gifts because I opened the other one already, and it was this super cute chibi Dragonite. I'm in love with this Dragonite because look at the belly. The belly is so cute. And I saw this at a con like a year and a half ago, and I wanted it so much. I've seen it a couple of times and it's so cute, but I never ended up buying it, and now I have it because I got it for Christmas and I'm so excited. It's so cute! And then you guys voted to open first the pink gifts, which had my Otamatone! I really wanted an Otamatone, and if you don't know, this is like a electronic musical instrument, I guess. This works like a piano and it goes like this. And you can change his voice. I'm still learning how to use it, but it's super cute. And then I received a Swiss knife, a little knife. I really wanted one, and I really wanted one with different options, and this one has even scissors, so I love it so much. After that, I asked you guys what I should cook for lunch, and the options were lasagna, which is kind of complicated, or a mushroom pasta, and you guys voted for the lasagna. So it took me a couple of hours, but I made lasagna from scratch and it was amazing. I still have leftovers. So good. And then I asked you what to do in the afternoon. The options were a nice walk and to play Pokemon Go, or to stay at home and live stream Fortnite, which I played only once and I have no idea how to play it. I'm confused. But you guys chose Pokemon Go, so I went out, I went for a walk, and I captured some Pokemons. After that, I asked you what to do for dinner. The options were leftovers, so more lasagna, or a nice pizza. I knew that everything would be closed, so I got the pizza crust, and I made a nice white pizza, pizza bianca, with mushrooms and vegan meat, and it was delicious. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for keeping me company on Christmas. It was truly the best gift. Let me know in the comments what you did and what did you receive. If you received gifts. And as always, I remind you that I have Patreon, so if you want behind the scenes digital stickers or just support this channel, the link is in the description box. And as always, I also say hi to all these people who send me a cute message. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.